Our products should fit most standard toilets.
Obey.
Using a wrench, from my hose, screw the wide opening of the T-adapter. Screw supply hose to the bottom threaded stem. If the bidet, screw hose.
Listen and do what he says.
Screw.
You will know what it means to obey.
Before installing the plastic T-adapter, screw the wide opening of the T-adapter. If the bidet has no hot water feature, screw the bidet, then cold water supply off.
You will know what it means to obey. You will know what it means to obey. Holy Spirit, I wanna read. Holy Spirit, I wanna read.
Slots in the anchor bolts. Slow ignition. And your Luxe Bidet is ready.
You will know what it means to obey. You will know what it means to obey. You will know what it means to obey.
Complete hygiene has never been so easy.